Welcome. Cream Advisory LLP is established mainly for providing consultancy services in the field of risk and opportunities management. The word CREAM in the company name is an acronym to denote Comprehensive Risk Evaluation and Management. The word risk is always related to a negative outcome, whereas in reality, a risk is an event that is about to happen and may have both positive or negative outcome. Even an adverse event like COVID-19 outbreak, which is considered as most serious hazardous global pandemic, may well be a great opportunity for many who can turn it to their advantage in a positive way. For example, hospitals, chemical, pharmaceutical industries, and special product manufacturers. At Cream Advisory LLP, the founder partner has professional qualifications and experience in insurance and risk management for over 30 years, who has joined hands with a heavy engineering professional as a partner and managing director, who is an MTech from IIT Madras, having extensive experience in heavy vehicle design and development, production, sales and service, quality, training, and also in industrial operations to provide quality consultancy services in risk and opportunities management for clients ranging from insurers, user industries, starting from small and medium enterprises and MSMEs to big corporate, or to every individual who may require expert advice. The main focus of our company, that is Cream Advisory LLP, is to provide best advisory services that will make a great difference in achieving most desirable outcomes for their stakeholders by carefully conserving the resources. Espousing our services philosophy, we have adopted our tagline from the works of Thiruvalluvar, an ancient poet and sage, who is the best consultant par excellence this world has ever seen in about 2000 years. The tagline is, "World will listen to the advice of counselors astute," verse number 648. To quote from the original work of Thiruvalluvar, "விரைந்து தொழில் கேட்கும் ஞாலம் நிரந்தினிது சொல்லுதல் வல்லார் பெறின்." Inspired by these words of wisdom, we are committed to provide the best services to all our clients so as to realize their genuine and rightful goals in the interest of society at large. Some of our advisory services include, but not limited to, the following. Number 1. Technical audit and advice. To understand the effectiveness of ongoing risk and opportunity management practices that are presently in place and suggest simple and practical important measures to achieve optimum benefits. Number 2. Providing a CREAM plan, a comprehensive risk and opportunities evaluation and management plan that is best suited for the organization by carrying out personal inspection of facilities and after having detailed discussions with key officials. Number 3. Claim consultancy. If you are an insurer or an insured who require expert advice, particularly on a complicated matter that is unresolved for a very long time and which has substantial monetary implications, we would help you to achieve the most appropriate solution. Number 4. Proactive advisory services. There is prior evaluation and advice before undertaking a project or prior to accepting big risks. We provide you the required insight and guidance about the prospects and outcomes. Number 5. Training and mentoring. Whilst training can be classroom training, custom made for a targeted group, mentoring would be to handhold your young professionals in achieving the desired results or key result areas.